director the crown for being the box office director. This will be her 6th time to win this category, the most number of times in the 53 years of the Box Office Awards. Wow. Congratulations to our most popular film director of the year, Direct Kathy Garcia Sampana.
To present the award for the Guillermo Foundation is engineer Arthur Samaniego.
Ito na talaga yung akin. Nakita ko si Coco. Oh my God! Ano? Sorry. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi muli. Nag-take down lang ako ng notes. This might be a little long. Hindi ko lang po pwedeng hindi mapasalamatan ng mga taong to kasi naniniwala ako na hindi ko kayang i-direct ang isang pelikula nang walang tulong mula sa mga taong to. So, this is also their night as much as it is mine. Kinabahan daw ako bigla. Magdidirect na lang po ako. First of all, I'd like to thank, of course, the management of Star Cinema and GMA. Special mention, syempre, si Sir Carlo, Tita Cory, Chris, Zell. I'd like to thank the creative team headed by Carmi, Raimundo, Cristal, San Miguel, and of course, my beloved Inang, who's always there to help us in every film that we do. My key staff, my cinematographer, Noel Tihanki, my producer Leo Garcia, my PD, Nico. Nakalimutan ko apelyido niya. Nico. Nico, ano nga? Asawa ko, asan na ba yun? Basta Nico, alam mo na yun. Nagme-mental block ako, patawad po. Si Miss Maria, my editor, and si Mr. Jesse Lasatin, our musical director. And of course, I cannot not mention my staff, production staff, headed by Kizzy, my assistant director, all my other staff and crew, mahal ko kayo, down to our utility. Alam niyong lahat kung gaano ko kayo kamahal at kung gaano ko ka-dependent sa inyo, and walang pelikula kung wala kayo. So maraming salamat uli. And of course, the Canadian team, maraming salamat. And all the Filipino friends in Canada who have helped us. Sobra pong laking bagay ang kakampi. May mga kakampi kami sa ibang bansa. And of course, the post-production team, wala pong pelikula kung wala sila. The Nickel Entertainment VFX team, thank you. And of course, the promo, na wala rin kayong malalaman kung hindi nila pin-promote. So maraming salamat. And of course, my staff, ang alam ko, andito si Alden, pero hindi ko alam kung nasan siya. And Catherine, and of course, all the supporting roles, maraming salamat. Hindi po talaga nabubuong isang pelikula nang wala kayo, down to our talents. And of course, my kids, my first critics. So, sila po talaga ang nagkikriticize ng mga pelikula ko. And my husband who's over there, Louie, thank you. And my family, my in-laws, maraming salamat. And of course, Guillermo Awards, alam niyo po ba na ito ang talagang medyo inaabangan ko. Kasi ito ay hindi pinili ng ilang tao lamang. Ang award kong ito ay pinili ng totoong mga nanood. And that's why, most especially, I'd like to thank all the ones who have watched my film. Maraming salamat po. Hindi niyo po alam, more than the kinita ng pelikulang yon, ang lagi pong tumatatak sa puso namin ay the number of hearts we touched. Yan pong itinuro sa akin ng aking mentor na si Marilu Diaz Apaya, that success is measured by the number of hearts I touched. So, ang Hello Love Again, isang testamento na marami pa rin naniniwala sa pagmamahal. And in every film that I do, yan lang po ang aking vision, to give hope. And I want you to love and to love life again. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat ulit.
Congratulations to the men and women behind the phenomenal movie, Hello